Kenneth, what did you throw in the back of the other truck that was...
In the back of the border.
Well, they're saying that you took something out of your truck, threw it in the back of another truck, and then that truck left.
I never did that at all.
Never did that?
I swear to God, I'm
Okay. You want to do a field sobriety test for me? Huh?
No.
You're not?
No.
Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Huh?
The stamp light?
I'm sorry, what?
What light did you say to turn off?
I didn't say turn off any light. I said, are you willing to do a field sobriety test?
I said no.
And I said, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Then.
Why?
Because you're under arrest for DUI.
For what?
For what?
Yeah.
Because I think you're impaired.
I'm not impaired though. I'm just driving home from work.
Okay, then why won't you do a field sobriety test?
I'm not doing it.
Huh?
Because I don't need to.
You don't need to.
I don't need to.
You're leaning on your truck. You mean you don't need to?
I mean, you're leaning.
You're absolutely. You don't need to. You're absolutely right. You do not.
You're leaning on.
You do not need to.
Okay.
So turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay.
No.
Ken.